Binance vs Exness, where to trade crypto. Exness versus Binance for crypto trading. 1. Nature and purpose. Exness operates primarily as a Forex and CFD broker, offering crypto trading via CFDs rather than owning actual coins. It's widely used for derivatives trading and includes versatile platforms like MT4, MT5, and its own web terminal. Amebaburo. Binance is a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange offering direct access to buying, selling, staking, and a wide array of crypto services. Wikipedia. Snark 2. Trading costs and spreads. Exness. Crypto CFDs involve spreads rather than direct fees. Spreads start from 8.5 pips, which can be competitive but vary depending on market conditions. Inves offers zero swap fees on most instruments, including crypto, and no deposit or withdrawal fees through supported local global methods. Exness Binance, known for ultra-low fees, spot trading at 0.1% with a 25% discount if paying in BNB. Futures fees can start as low as 0.02%, maker 0.04% taker. Amebaburo, free crypto deposits. Withdrawal fees vary by coin and network. Amebaburo, verdict. Binance offers better fee transparency and typically lower costs for spot trading. Exness might suit CFD traders but could carry wider hidden costs via spreads. Starter 3. Trading platforms and features. Exness leverages MetaTrader 4 and 5, plus its own Exness terminal and mobile apps, highly supportive of trading automation and advanced charting tools. Offers VPS to improve performance. Amebaburo, Binance offers a sleek crypto-centric trading ecosystem, web, desktop, and mobile apps with advanced charting, futures dashboards, staking, P2P features, and APIs for algorithmic trading. Amebaburo, verdict. Go with Exness if you prefer MetaTrader tools, especially for automated strategies. Choose Binance for a modern, crypto-native trading interface. Shar 4. Account options and entry requirements. Exness offers varied account types, standard, no commission, pro, raw spread, and zero, catering to different trader profiles. Minimum deposits vary. Some accounts require $200 to $500. Amebaburo, Binance, simple structure. Basic accounts for spot, margin, and futures. VIP tiers for high-volume traders. No minimum deposit requirements, though lower fees require high 30-day trading volumes or BNB usage. Amebaburo, verdict. Exness offers more account flexibility. Binance is easier to get started with and scales seamlessly. Shashar 5. Security, reliability, and regulation. Exness operates under multiple reputable regulators, SISEC, FCA, FSA, and others. Offers negative balance protection, segregated client funds, and audited transparency. Daily Forex, Binance, despite its industry lead, it has faced significant regulatory scrutiny and fines, including a $4.3 billion settlement over U.S. violations. Some regions have restricted or banned its operations. Wikipedia. Verdict, Exness may offer stronger regulatory clarity. Binance remains powerful but faces trust concerns in certain jurisdictions. Shaver 6. User feedback and limitations. Exness? Some users report challenges like automatic stop-loss triggers due to wide spreads or technical issues. Withdrawal complexities, e.g. USDT transfer limitations, have also been noted in user discussions. Reddit, Binance, known for fast performance and responsive support compared to other exchanges. However, its regulatory issues and platform complexity worry some users. Reddit, final verdict. Table, feature, Exness, crypto CFDs, spot crypto exchange. Platforms, DAF mobile ecosystem. Fees, spread-based, may be higher overall, transparent, generally lower. Platforms, MT4, MT5 plus web terminal, integrated web desktop mobile ecosystem. Account types, multiple, standard, pro, raw, zero. Simple, tiered structure. Regulation, strong and multi-jurisdictional, mixed due to legal issues. Use case, Forex CFD traders seeking automation. Crypto traders seeking functionality and speed. Reliability, sometimes issues with spreads, fast, but regulatory risks remain. Final takeaway, choose Exness if you're using MetaTrader, trade CFDs, prioritize flexible accounts, and prefer regulated brokers. Choose Binance if you want direct crypto access, low fees, advanced crypto tools, and broad global features. Let me know if you'd like this turned into a video script or video